husband sleeps so hot. He is like a furnace. For Christmas, I'm getting him a king-size set of bamboo sheets, which are actually a cooling and moisture-wicking fabric. They're extra soft, really easy to care for, and they have that cooling aspect to the fabric, which is going to wick away that heat and that moisture for a cooler night's sleep, which, if you look at the science, is actually a better night's sleep compared to being warm all night. I'm actually just gonna put these on my bed right now, but if you wanna give these a try, they do come in tons of different colors and all different bed sizes. I've linked it down here for you.